Welcome to Soup Crafts. I am Soup, and today I got my Trinity Stamps Everything Grab Bag. I am really excited about this one. Not feeling very good today, but once this arrived, I started feeling a lot better. This box is heavy, so I weighed it, and it weighs more than 5 pounds. It's about 5 pounds and 2.5 ounces. So let's see what's in here. I did also place an order. I cut most of it, but I left a little bit so you know I hadn't opened it yet. Let's turn this around here. And I just want to get my shipping pack, my packing slip out of there, which they folded inside out anyway, so that's awesome. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Now this is the set that I ordered. I ordered these little houses, and I have a project that I want to do with that. And then everything else is from the box. So look how full this box is. I'm going to move the box so that we've got a little more room to pull stuff out. But really, that means just setting it on my lap. I got nowhere really to put it. So there were some cookies and some tea, which I don't partake in either of those, but that's okay. Okay, here is a pumpkin. This is the ripe pumpkin cut and foil die set. That's cool. There's a nice big stamp set. That says "For You" up at the top there. I'm pretty sure. Yep, "For You." And that is very leafy. This one is called, what is it called? Was it on the front? I don't know what this one is called. Slimline Leafy Background. That's cool. Ooh, some rainbow dots. Those are pretty. And some clear ones with sparkles in them. Those are going to be great. Oh my gosh. Look at all of these. I'm really excited about this. What is that? 10 sets? No, 12 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 sets of different embellishments. Are those little gingerbread ones? I'm not sure. Looks like maybe. Oh, that is so cool. I got a pair of scissors. Already, this is my favorite box. Some distressed oxide and carved pumpkin. That'll go good with this pumpkin die set, huh? A stencil. The name is covered up, so I'm not sure what it's called. Retro diamond. Ooh, there's what it looks like. Kind of an argyle. That's cool. Another stencil. I'm not sure what this one does. Oh, and it's not on the box. On the back. Slimline Foundations stencil set. So it looks like you can just pull this out and then stencil for the slim line or mask that off maybe. It feels like there's several stencils in here. All right, I want to see. I don't make a lot of slim lines, but I mean, maybe if I have some tools that help. Okay. Oh, I think that they're different mat sizes, maybe. It says on the stencil, if I get it in the light just right, it says rectangle stencil, slimline foundations. Well, that's just what it is, I think. Are they different sizes? Yes, they are. And then the masks to go with it. All right, well, that's cool. Okay, so slimline stencil set and another stencil set. This is, I see some fish on there. This one is Scenes from the Sea, 4-piece. That's cool. I see a little crab and a little turtle. And there's 4 in there. It looks like, is this one cracked? No, I don't think that's cracked. I think that's where it's cut. Here's another set. This one is called, I don't see the name on this one. Let's see if it's on this side. I do not see a name on this one. I'm not sure what this one is for. Maybe a bush? I don't know. I don't know about this one. And this one has like a little tree. Okay, so this one makes a tree. I think this one might be a bush. I wish they had a name on it. We'll just have to try it out, I guess. Here's some mountains. My husband's gonna love that one. And some lake, it looks like, or water. So that's cool. This looks like old packaging. Or at least it doesn't look like the packaging I'm used to. Here's some 3D foam creative sheets. So use glitter foil and more to create 3D embellishments. Okay, I see what they're getting at. I love you like gnome other. There's gnome one like you, and it comes with the dies. So I really like that it comes with the dies. Here's a die set. It's a coordinating die set for sketchy florals. I see the word you. I don't know that I saw the sketchy florals. Oh, that's what it looks like. So I might just have the die set on that one. I'm not sure. Here is, this one is called Greatest Friend on Earth. And it says, you're the greatest friend on earth. You're the best. You steal the show. And no lion. Like the no lion. I love a good pun. No lion, you steal the show. Here's another, looks like we've got a whole circus going on here. Abracadabra, poof, abracadabra, ta-da. And this one comes with the dies. Very cool. Oh, there's more circus going on. This one is Balancing Acts. It says, you're amazing, bravo. Hope your day is over the top. Life is a balancing act. And it also comes with the dies. I love that so much. Okay, here's a stamp set, Hang On. Oh, it's called Hang On, and it says, hang on to every promise of God. Hang in there. That's cool. And hello. I don't think I'm even halfway through the box. Like, it is still so full. Wishing you a happy Halloween. Best wishes on your birthday. A special brew for you. I love the puns. I love the puns. Oh, and that one comes with a die set too. This is making me so happy. Old mother, no. What is the one? They lived in the shoe? I don't remember. But there it is. And the die set. It's called Shoe Sprites. Love it. Rare treasure, gem, fire, you're a on friend. That is really cool. And once again, there's some die sets. This one's called A Rare Friend. Stamp and die set, parents. For real, happy day, parent, pawthers, meowthers. You're the best. So I'm going to guess Meowthers Day and Pothers Day. Oh, it's for the people who have pets and not necessarily children. Happy Meowthers Pothers Day. You're the best parent for real. Oh, that's cute. Okay, here is a stencil set. It's a layering stencil, it says. This reminds me of radar. And then a little board there. Like you could, seems like you could make a little game of who sank my battleship, or you sank my battleship, or it's just called battleship. Oh, it's a color swatch. It's a color swatch. Okay, and here's a stamp and die set, Forest Party. It's got the little stump for a table and all of the little tea things and the little critters and the dies. It's time for a soiree, maybe celebration. I think that says soiree. Serious. Oh, serious. It's time for a serious celebration. That's cool. This one is called Serious Celebration. And it says coordinating die set, so there might be a stamp set that goes along with that, but it looks like you could just use that. I don't think I have the die set for it, or the stamp set. We'll see. What is this one called? Once Upon a Mime. Oh, more for the circus. Words cannot express my gratitude. Hello, friend of mime. Once upon a mime. Will you be mime? I love you with all mime heart. And partners in mime. And there's all of the dies. Here is a stamp set, Sketchy Florals. Oh, that's the one that goes with this die set, I think. Isn't that what I said it was called? Sketchy Florals. Yep, Sketchy Florals. Sweet. Ah, I'm so happy to have the stamp set that goes with those dies. This is a cut and foil die set. I don't have like a foil machine, so I don't have a better press or any of those things. So I don't know if there's anything that I can do with that. I don't know. Can you do that with an iron? Can you just run an iron over and get it hot? But that's cool. Here's some more of the Circus. Le Cirque, it says at the bottom, and that's what this one is called. And the die sets. So I've got the whole circus. My mom used to say, not my circus, not my monkeys. Congratulations, thinking of you, you're amazing. Happy birthday, miss you, thank you, and we love you. Hi, yay, I'm sorry, and hello. These are huge, very big. I wouldn't have anything to put that congratulations on, but I assume that it'd probably work great for a scrapbook spread, but I don't do this scrapbook thing. Okay, here is a cut and foil die set. Mug of flowers. Here's another cut and foil die set, Season's Bounty. Here is a foiling die, Shimmering Winds. I don't know if there's anything I can do with those. I'll have to see. Do you have a foiling plate? Let me know in the comments. Looks like these are balloons. I can't see what it says because it's all covered. Let's see. Balloon Celebration stencil. It's a 6x9 layering stencil. There's all the balloons. I love stencils. Here's the little cozy bear boater. It says, you or the best. No trout about it. You're a great catch. And the dies. I am loving this box. Here's another stencil set. Oh, looks like roses. That's cool. Bed of Roses is what it's called. It's either $15 or $7. Here are some wine glasses or champagne glasses or both. Ooh, pictures on the back, so that's cool. This one's called Pop Fizz. Sweet. Ooh, here's some little houses or some roofs for some houses. This one doesn't seem to have a name. Oh, it's Slimline Series Rooftops Border Die. Cool. Okay, this is a slimline die set, Hanging Ornaments. Okay, I see. Here's the little ornament toppers, and then you could just put little ornaments on there. But you could cut this out, and you could use this on a different size card. Just use the ornaments and the little ornament hangers. Sweet. And, oh, I thought this was the last thing, but it's not. This is, oh, is this like a cup wrapper, I think? Yeah, I think this is for like a to-go cup, a coffee cup. It's called Cozy Coffee Stitching Die Set. So there we go. There are some loose dies in here. Oh, this makes a card, like a great big teacup. Oh, that's cool. And then here's some flower dies. Interesting. Here's a little stamp set, a little unicorn. It's Majestic Unicorn. Sending magical wishes your way. Sparkle mail. Believe in yourself and you're beautiful. That's a nice unicorn. And this is Majestic Unicorn, the stencil set. So that'll be nice. So you can color the Majestic Unicorn. Sweet. Another stencil set. Let's see, what is this one called? It's a layered teacup. Oh, I bet that goes with the teacup die. It sure looks like it. Well, that's cool. I'm going to keep those together. Put it this way. I see, it wouldn't fit in the bag. That's the problem. Here's another stencil set. I don't know what this one is called. Slimline Space Swirl. Oh, nice. I like a good space scene. And this is the Slimline Space Swirl Stencil B. This one is also B. Oh, so these, I got two of the same thing, but that's all right. That's what's in the box. This is by far the best box that I have gotten. I am amazed at all of the stuff that is in here, and that pretty much everything came with a die set. I think the unicorn didn't have a die set, but it had a stencil set. I think pretty much everything else had the dies with it. And I'll have to figure out if anybody knows if there's a way for me to use these foiling dies without having a foiling machine. I'd love to know it. I don't think I could run these through my laminator. It's not flat. I think it curves. I don't know, but I don't know that they'd go through there anyway. Any ideas on that? Let me know in the comments. All right, well, this was a little bit longer, but this was a lot of stuff to go through. So, wow, love it, love it, love it. If you get a chance to get this box again, I would take it. I definitely am going to. Thanks for watching. Bye.